What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Wednesday. So today I'm going to go over yield max distribution, round hill distributions that are going to hit the portfolio this week. And I'm going to show you guys how my portfolio is doing for Wednesday. So I usually try to do a daily update on my portfolio when I get the chance. So if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button to support me on my YouTube channel. And keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. So I appreciate all of you for the support. Let's head on to Discord, and we are gonna go to, this is High Yield Dividend Warriors Discord chat. So it looks like they got the round hill distributions on here. All right, so round hill, since I only have QDTE this week is going to be paying 23 cents per share, XDTE 24 cents, RDTE 30 cents, YBTC is 32 cents for round hill. And then we got the yield max one. So I'm just going to go over the ones I have, which is YMAX. That's going to be paying 10 cents per share, and then we got YMAG at 14 cents per share. MSTY is going to be paying $1.37, and then I also have AMZ, which is going to be 41 cents per share. So not too bad, but you know, Misty is still paying over the dollar. You know, we're used to seeing like $2, $3, $4 from Misty. My plans, honestly, is to eventually get rid of Misty because of that maintenance requirement when you are using raw margin. And I believe Misty is a 60% margin requirement. So we could go over that real quick. Let's head on to Misty. So you guys can see I have 297 shares of Misty. And I'm down 28%, down 2,379. But you see that maintenance requirement is 60%. So if Misty could go on a run here and I could break even on my total returns, and I might get rid of Misty. I know it pays nice dividends, but I mean, after the crypto bull run is over, I don't think Misty is going to perform too well. That's just my opinion, of course, and I'd rather put the money somewhere else. So you guys can see the portfolio was good today, up $1,143. After hours we're up $266. So after, I don't know, maybe like a week and a half of basically red in the market, we had two good days, which today and yesterday were all green, and it looks like some of my my dollar cost averaging into my other plays, I was basically building up my share count in all my positions. You know, I bought below my average cost, so that's the great thing about a down market. So you guys can see my margin. I'm using margin in this portfolio. You guys do not have to follow what I'm doing. I've used $20,000 in margin, and I have a margin status of low risk, a 58.27% margin buffer, and that's looking good so far. So I'm slowly using the margin, and the plays I have in my portfolio are the ones I like so far. So YMAX, you guys can see YMAX, I have 956 shares. I'm down 21%. So they are going to be paying 10 cents per share, which is what we went over. 956, multiply that by 0.10. That is $95.60 from YMAX. All right. So if we go over to YMAG, this pays out every Friday, as well as YMAX. YMAG, I have 454 shares. Average cost is $18.75. I'm down 16%. YMAG is going to be paying, let's see, we go here. YMAG is paying 14 cents per share, and I have 454 shares. So 0.14 multiply that by 454, that is $63.56. If we add the 95 from YMAX, that is going to be $158.56 from those two plays, okay? And then we got QDTE. 99 shares, about to hit 100 shares probably tomorrow, because I will be buying more tomorrow. I'm down 7%, down 283. So 99 shares. We multiply that by, let's see what QDTE is paying again. They're paying 23 cents, so that's going to be $22.77. So we add that to the 158 from YMAX and YMAG, that it's $180. And it could be 181 because of the fractional shares. So those are from those three positions that I have in my portfolio. And then we are going to go over, keep in mind, we are also getting dividends from XPay and MSFY as well. That's going to be paid out tomorrow. And we also got realty income for Friday, so that's another 19 bucks. But we're getting Misty as well. Misty, I got 297 shares. Like I said, I'm down 28%, down 2,379. So 297 shares, and they are paying $1.37. That's gonna be $406.89 from Misty. We add that to the 180 from YMAX, YMAG, and QDTE. That is $586 from Misty, YMAX, YMAG, and QDTE. So we got one more in AMZ. AMZ is paying 41 cents, 0.41. We multiply that by the share count. I'll show you guys how AMZ is doing on my portfolio. 71 shares, I'm down 6%, down $87. So we multiply that by 71 shares. That is $29.11. And we add the 586 plus 586. That's going to be $615 from AMZ, Misty, YMAX, YMAG, and QDTE. So keep in mind, we're getting like 19 bucks from realty income on Friday as well. So that's going to bring me to 634. And then XPay and MSFY. So let's go over those real quick. So just to show you guys, realty income, 71 shares. I am up 7% in realty income. I'm getting $19.02 this Friday. And then we got XPay. That's going to be coming in tomorrow. I'm down 3%. And then MSFY from Curve. This follows Microsoft. I'm down 2%, 31 shares. This is going to pay me out tomorrow as well. I don't know the exact numbers, so I'll just make another video on that. And then I'll show you guys a total amount for this week. But either way, we already know that I'm going to get around $630, $34, $35 for this week. Might be a little more with MSFY and XPay when I add the numbers up. So that'll be like a Friday video once I get the finalized numbers. So yeah, guys, that's pretty good. So I believe last week I made around the same thing. It was around 600 plus. I would have to double check. I don't think I wrote it down in my notes, but yeah, I believe it was around 600 plus dollars. So not too bad for this week. I mean, let's just say hypothetically, just using this as an example, if I made around $600 every week, that would be around 2,400, right? If we put 600 by 4, yeah, 2,400. So not too bad in dividends. And like I said, the best thing I could really do right now is to just dollar cost average, pick up more shares that are below my average cost. So obviously YMAX, YMAG, QDTE, I'm always buying. And after this week, we are going to look at, again, YMAX, YMAG, QDTE. And then I believe Yield Max is going to be for Tesla next week. And then we are going to be looking at PSEC for that third week, AAPY. And I believe that's it. I don't think there's a lot going on for next week besides PSEC, AAPY, and Tesla. So that's usually the week that I don't really make as much. And I believe YMAG pays pretty low that next week. So, you know, we'll see once we get there. I'm always trying to build up my shares here and there. So we'll see what next week brings in the portfolio. So wanted to share that with you guys, the distribution announcement and what I'm going to make. So like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. Check out the links down below. And if you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, definitely use my link and you guys get a free stock. So I appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.